Eyeing the Bank of America Travel Rewards card or a premium co-branded card? The application process is similar to other cards, with a focus on your travel habits. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Visit the Bank of America credit card site, find the travel card you want, and click Apply Now. You'll fill out the standard application. The bank may look favorably on existing banking relationships when considering your application. Be prepared to input information about your annual income and housing costs. Submit the application for a near-instant decision. My crucial pro tip? Mention any existing Bank of America relationship. If you have a checking, savings, or investment account with Bank of America or Merrill, be sure those accounts are listed on your application. This existing relationship can sometimes help with approval decisions and credit limits. Take the first step toward earning points on your next venture. What's the main travel benefit you look for in a credit card? No foreign fees, points, or insurance. For more travel finance guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.